Hello, current and prospective Fullerton College students. Dr. G here, Professor of Ethnic Studies. I'm here to invite you to join me on a once-in-a-lifetime adventure. In spring 2025, I'll be taking a group of students to study abroad in Lisbon, Portugal, with Professor Deidre Hughes. Students can study English, mindfulness, ethnic studies, and/or LGBTQ studies. Classes are conducted in English and focus on social justice movements, highlighting the perspectives and voices of people of color and LGBTQ folks. The Lisbon program offers a blend of rich culture, historic charm, academic excellence, and affordability. You'll live and learn in one of Europe's safest and most affordable cities. Come meet the faculty leaders and learn more about the program at one of 2 info sessions scheduled for March 4th and 6th. There's also a creative fundraising workshop taking place Friday, March 8th on Zoom. Check out the Study Abroad website and IG for more info. Or if you're ready, apply for your study abroad experience today.